If you have ever seen designs like these that are appearing on your screen apparently, you might have wondered what are these called and how are they made. Well, if you are seeking for an answer, this video is for you. Hi there, my name is Raza and welcome to my YouTube channel. To answer the first question, the term used for these designs is neumorphism and they are fairly used in UI and UX design. Being this elegant and minimal looking, they are fairly easy to create also, and that's exactly what we are going to do today. So let's hop into Photoshop. After making a canvas on Photoshop, the first thing I will do is select a background color. To do that, I am making a new layer and I am gonna select a color from the color panel. Press Alt Backspace to apply your foreground color on the selected layer. This is a shortcut for applying foreground color to anything. For the next step, I am going to make a shape. It can be any shape like an ellipse or a rectangle or anything else. I am going to make a rectangle. I am also putting some curved edge on this. Make sure you keep the stroke at null and set your fill at the same color as the background. Right click and drag to make the shape. Make sure to hold the shift key to get a perfect square. For now, the shape isn't visible. Worry not, we will apply some effects and make it visible. Double click on the rectangle layer from the layers panel. This will open up the layer style window. We need to make two shadows from here, but I am going to delete one for now so I can show you how to add shadows. Now check this box of drop shadow. Some options have become visible now. Let's move this window to the side a bit so we can view our shape. I am raising the opacity to 100%. I am keeping the color white. Make sure you guys keep this box unchecked. We don't want all our shapes to follow the same light source. Now let's set our angle. Let's just keep it at -45 degrees. Now I am going to set the distance, spread and size according to my needs. This step may vary depending on your canvas size or pixels per inch. I am adding a little bit of noise to give it a little bit of texture. The white shadow is done. Let's add the second one now by clicking on this plus icon. I'm making this one in black. Let's go with a dark bluish or purplish color. That will look better in my opinion. Now I'm gonna decrease its opacity to 15%. The angle will be 135 and we will keep all other stuff same as before. I'm gonna adjust the opacity and color a little bit more and click OK. Now as you guys can see, we have successfully created a neumorphic effect. Now if you want to save this effect for future use and to make design process more fast and streamlined, for this we are going to use this style panel. If you are unable to see the style panel, click on the windows from the menu bar and click on styles. If you have made it this far in the video, a like and a subscribe will be appreciated a lot and also will help me a lot. So please consider doing that. Thank you. Let's get back to the video. As you guys can see, I already have saved neumorphic style here, and if I click on this, it will apply on my shape. But for this video's sake, I'm going to delete these and save them again so you guys can see how to do that. Let's get rid of this effect on the background layer also. It also got applied here somehow. Okay, so now let's set our rectangle which has the effects applied on it. To do that, click on the plus button. You need to keep this top box checked and you can rename this as you like it. Let's name this new one and then click OK. Now look at this, new one is saved. Now if I make any other shape, Let's make one with pen tool real quick. I am clicking on this now and the effect is applied. Similarly, if I make an ellipse, we can apply this effect to that too. This was outward neumorphic effect. Let's make an inward one too now. For that, first I am going to copy this very circle and resize it. Now I am going to create some inward shadows in it. For that, let's double click on this. Firstly, we will remove both these drop shadows that we created here. We need to add new shadows. For that, click on the FX button below and select inner shadow. We need two of them. The settings from here are similar to what we did before. Just keep your light source in mind. For example, as I consider my light source to be in top left corner, the white highlights are in accordance to that. And on the opposite side, we have shadows. We are now going to save this effect also like we did before. Select the layer and click the plus button on the styles panel. Let's name this new 2 and click OK. So now we have an inward neumorphic effect, and let's try this on a new custom shape. Something like this board. So we have learned both inward and outward neumorphic effects. Let's create something with it. I'm going to fast forward the video from here on so you guys don't get bored. As you guys can see, you can make different backgrounds using this technique in your design and use them. The minimalistic and clean look these provide are amazing. If you have made it this far in the video, I have a bonus tip for you. If you want to change the background color of this design, you can do it very easily by making a new layer. Let's select a color from the color panel. I am going to pick a blue color. Press Alt Backspace for filling in the color. Now let's play with the blending modes in the layer panel and see which one looks the best. I'm going to go with color, and now we have changed the color of our design to a blue shade. We can also do red. We can also do green. If you want, you can also do purple or whatever the color you like. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one.